I've given my step one, and I've been working on my CV, and I have a few ideas for you to build a strong CV, because uh, at the end of the day, your CV and your resume will be seen by your program directors, and they might ask you questions during your interviews on your CV, right? And your CV is also important for what? For your electives, which you will be applying during your course of your medical school, if it is a university program, or it can help you get few externship as a graduate, right? So let's start the session, how to build a strong CV, right? Yeah. Can anyone tell me what is a CV and what it consists of? I've written here uh, and I've explained it briefly, but can anyone tell me what it consists of? What a strong CV consists of, and how can you divide a strong CV? And formatting of a CV is very important, right? You can't just put in all the words and all your achievements in just bullet points. You have to neatly organize your CV, and your formatting is very important, so that it will be highlighted to your program directors or your elective uh, choosers, right? Can anyone tell me what are the important headings and under your CV? I wanted to make an interactive session, because uh, just me reading the slides or explaining with examples will be useful, but I want to know how much you know, right? Can you tell me what the CV consists of? I've opened both questions. Lochan has a question. Okay. Yes. Hi, Lochan. Yes, research work, previous experiences. What are the previous experiences, Lochan? What do you mean by previous experience? It may be volunteer work or research work, or if you are working as a medical officer, or if you're working as a JR in any institution, you can add into your CV, right? That I will take up during your work experiences, because it's very important to fill in your gap years. I know a lot of you might have questions on gap years, right? How can you bridge your gap years? You can take up work experiences. You can take up work like JR, junior resident positions in your institutions, or that can fill in your gap years, and it can show that you are working on something, you are making an effort to keep yourself engaged, uh, and not sitting doing nothing, right? That is what previous experiences can consist of. Okay. So it's just a brief slide that curriculum vitae is a document which is a shorter form of resume. So what is resume? Resume is when you explain each and every aspect of your heading, right? That is your resume. Most electives don't ask for your resume, or they might ask CV bar or resume. So I think you should keep your CV ready always, and resume is most important for software engineers, and we just use CV on a day-to-day basis, right? It is a brief depiction of your achievements and skills, correct? So it should shed light on your achievements briefly, so that they can ask you questions regarding your achievements in your interviews. So that is CV. It is required to provide your CV for some of the elective programs to obtain clinical or research electives, observerships, and externships, correct? So recently I applied for one of the electives, and that was UAB. If anyone wants to apply, no, I'm applying. They asked for CV. So most of the programs do ask for CV, and please keep your CV ready today itself. At least this session will be a motivation for you to make your CV if you have not gotten it ready yet, because your CV will also be required for work experiences if you are applying as a medical officer, or if you want to moonlight. Do you know what is moonlighting? So it is working as a doctor during night shift, just to earn money, stand on your own stand, right? You're paying your own bills, that sort of things, which is usual in the US, UK, and stuff. But you can also do that, and it is also one way treating patients and making money too. So those people also require your CV, right?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.